Does Kraken accept USDT? Intro. Hook, ever wondered if you can trade USDT on Kraken, the renowned cryptocurrency exchange? Let's dive in and find out. Body. Kraken, a brief overview. What is Kraken? Its reputation and history in the crypto market. Known for its security features and advanced trading tools. Understanding USDT. What is Tether, USDT? Its stability and use as a stablecoin. Why USDT is popular among traders. The USDT question. Does Kraken support USDT? A direct and concise answer. Explain the reasons behind Kraken's support for USDT. How to deposit USDT on Kraken. A step-by-step guide. Screenshots or visuals to demonstrate the process. Tips for a smooth deposit experience. Trading USDT on Kraken. Available trading pairs involving USDT. Popular trading strategies using USDT. The benefits of using USDT for trading. Kraken's fees for USDT transactions. Deposit and withdrawal fees. Trading fees and how they compare to other exchanges. Factors affecting fees. Security considerations. Kraken's security measures. Best practices for protecting your USDT funds. Addressing common security concerns. Kraken versus other exchanges. A comparison of Kraken's USDT offerings. Key differences and advantages of using Kraken. Factors to consider when choosing an exchange. Conclusion. Recap the main points. Emphasize the benefits of using Kraken for USDT trading. Encourage viewers to try Kraken and explore its features. Outro. Call to action. Have any questions about Kraken or USDT? Leave a comment below. Subscribe and share. Encourage viewers to subscribe to the channel for more crypto-related content. Closing remark. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.